Applying for a TSB Bank personal loan can be a straightforward process if you know what to expect and how to prepare. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of a personal loan and what TSB Bank offers. TSB Bank provides personal loans with competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms, making it a popular choice for individuals who need to borrow money for various purposes. Before applying for a TSB Bank personal loan, you should check your credit score, as it plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you will be offered and whether your application will be approved. A good credit score can help you qualify for a lower interest rate, which can save you money in the long run. You can check your credit score for free with one of the 3 major credit reference agencies. To apply for a TSB Bank personal loan, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your income, employment details, and bank account information. You can apply online, over the phone, or in a branch. The application process typically takes a few minutes to complete, and you will usually receive a decision immediately. When applying for a TSB Bank personal loan, it is crucial to borrow only what you need and to make sure you can afford the monthly repayments. You should also consider the total cost of the loan, including the interest rate and any fees. TSB Bank offers a loan calculator on its website that can help you determine how much you can borrow and what your monthly repayments will be. Another essential tip is to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before signing the agreement. This includes the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees associated with the loan. It is also important to make your monthly repayments on time to avoid any late payment fees and to protect your credit score. In addition to these tips, it is recommended to shop around and compare personal loans from different lenders to find the best deal for your circumstances. You should also consider other options, such as a credit card or an overdraft, to see if they are more suitable for your needs. By following these tips and being informed, you can make the most of a TSB Bank personal loan and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always borrow responsibly and to seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan.